Welcome to a Spend the Day with Me Business Owner Edition. My name is Berea and I am the business owner of Optometry Optometrists in Berea Center. On this day, I'm taking you guys with me on a typical busy day. This was a Wednesday. So top of the morning, before I do anything, I usually go for my skip and have breakfast and spend some quiet time. Sometimes I meditate, sometimes I just journal or listen to music, and sometimes I skip this morning routine, guys. Some days are just not as great as this day. But on this typical morning, I went for my morning skip, I did my meditation, had my breakfast, and prepared for the day. So I'm doing the skipping challenge where I'm doing skips for 3 days a week for 12 weeks. I'm currently on week 4, and I'm hoping to this time I'm actually going to go for the full 12 weeks. Once the skipping is done, I started preparing for work. Then I left for work. My first stop on this day was at the office. I had to drop off a few things, and then once I was done at the office, my first appointment for the day was at 9:30 at DUT, the ML Sultan campus, where I was delivering a keynote speech for a group of entrepreneurs that they had for one of their programs. And then once I was done with that, my next stop was at Oceans Mall, where we were having a staff fun day type of thing. So we went bowling, and then we had lunch at Olive and Oil. You guys are going to see this in the video. Once that was done, I think we finished at around 1:30. I had to drive back to the practice because I had a patient booked for 2:00 and afterwards. So yeah, enjoy the vlog. I'm not going to be talking a lot on this vlog. I'm just going to be taking you guys with me for a very busy day in my life, where I had to be in 3 places in the space of a couple of hours. By God's grace, I managed and I survived, and I still had so much fun. In the afternoon, I was extremely exhausted. I got home and my head hit the pillow and it was lights out. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. We do content on planning and organizing, as well as a bit of business and a bit of growth. So yeah, do subscribe, like our video, if give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also check out some of the videos that we have shared on the channel.
Can I ask you for one more chance? you hear me calling? Oh, it's you I need. Ooh, yeah. 'Cause I cannot fake it. No matter how I feel. Yeah. 'Cause you heal my aching heart. When you come around. I saw a million signs. I must be over it.